data availability becomes more important than ever, and the ability to store the data and retrieve it becomes very, very critical and most important thing in your IT infrastructure of late. I am Ravi Prakash D. I am the Assistant General Manager for IT Infrastructure for the Himatsinka Group. Himatsinka Group is a vertically integrated home textiles major. Our business runs across manufacturing, retailing and distribution in the geographies of Asia, North America and Europe. The group has around 4,000 employees and we are still counting, and we are also planning for rapid expansion. Our company was on a tape backup infrastructure, and the challenges were quite a few. The backup window, if I have to talk about, was close to 2 to 3 days. Imagine somebody from the finance department develops a file in these 2 days of data backup that was happening on the tape drive, and for whatever reason, if that had to be backed up, which was never there in the backup window at all. So any data that was being generated in these 2 to 3 days was lost. And number two, the tapes had to be stored in a perfectly physical good environment, which is not always possible. And the readability factor of any tape for that matter is around 90% and never 100%. So you cannot actually quantify the business loss, it is unquantifiable. We chose HP D2D StoreOne's offering of 4000 series. Capacity of 12 terabytes at our headquarters and 6 terabytes each at 2 of our factories. And we chose HP for the reason of its deduplication technology again, and the ability to replicate it over my WAN network, which actually is a primary advantage for us when compared to our previous practice of moving physical tapes across these locations for disaster recovery. HP had a range of 4, 6, 12 terabytes, whereas your HP's competitors had 6 and directly jumping to 18 terabytes or 20 terabytes, which is not our requirement. We back up all the critical data at Himatsinka into this D2D appliance, the StoreOne's D2D appliance for that matter, which includes our SAP ERP, my email data which is on Exchange 2010, all the user files which are primarily your MS Office files and all, and more importantly all our design files also, which are basically your CAD, Photoshop and all these files. The technical benefits from the D2D appliance is primarily the deduplication technology that comes along with the hardware. And we are able to achieve a ratio of 1:6, which is very good on an industry average, and that's a direct saving on the costs. And secondly, the replication benefit that we are enjoying, where the critical data is moving across our WAN lines for the disaster recovery perspective. Earlier this was being moved on a physical tapes between locations. The most important benefit for Himatsinka by using a D2D appliance is the guarantee that we can recover the backed up data, which was not the case in my earlier setup of tape drives, where we were 100% not confident of being able to restore. And number two, the disaster recovery is in real time now. Earlier there was a physical movement of tapes between locations. Now, as and when the data arrives in the D2D, the critical data is automatically replicated to my disaster recovery site over the WAN network. We always believed in the service guarantee from HP, which never failed us.